Nyuma ya gavana Mutuma kuyukia kanya na kwa gavana wa bana wa kaunti ya Meru nende boetera ni kuona na araike Meru Ameru bena wiriro bunene kumanya no ritingwe bwawe bainge bakiriki kuona mwerekera yo Meru ke siasa na kinyake weti na mbere Mutuma na kuro kuthura njure ya were ikena yo Meru kuraya na kinya kubaritira ngwe ikirikano myake limithuru Meru itwere siasa na kinya watia maendeleo Phineas Imana aina ronoro rwa siasa.
Nyuma ya mageria kadumba ya muthia MCS Bumbunge ya kaunti ya Meru ne bombera kwebelia gitine Kawira Mwangaza.
The Senate's impeachment process was procedurally sound and does not warrant judicial intervention on grounds of unfair hearing.
Kutena utakanya Mutuma Ntwethingia aranyuitho muma na kuyukia kanya kau.
I, Honorable Isaac Mutuma Ntwethingia, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Meru County, and I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office, and that I would do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, ill will. So help me God.
Kawira etera no bona tikiroto na Mutuma kuyukia madagaye utungeria nwene ndia raumira na kwaririo ntubu. Kwegitara mbere titangabana ende ni taraia wawithire Kawira Mwangaza yana koneka koro tadirikari nyonto wa madina yakie.
My removal was not a reflection of the will of the people, but rather a calculated move by political competitors and the national government who sought to punish me for refusing to be politically manipulated.
Aitanganira na methori mukoina no ediragita na mbere na kuando bakie barabambiririo munjira marinya kureo nora wari munini wokie na kaitene kane ndinga bana Mutuma Ntwethingia na kinyora wari ngabana wa baile kiraito murungi
moi kiraito augira bate athoimuka gender issue pacho imakosa yake ukathiri lakini onto ena kirundu gya kumena mwekuru ati kuona jagintu ngereka nenjaga imonini ora orare munini okwa umujukie eje kuuma ndi wanu gutonya obisi agatura meretie mata iri ugukua jukia kanya kau
Tariria kinyeto mikiakie kulumurwa itine kiongabana atithiritie kibindi kiakie kemya ketano
kemda myake 10 bende gabarege
yakabubu tiani Kawira Mwangaza ne thiria gitana mbere na utumiria kuri antu kadumba bakumereria mataite monya birioke munini wa gavana bio minister na bingi kadumba Akukario siasa chanu wakayugia gitikina kinyanicho ni chiambireria koneka ore Mutuma kirigirwa guchala antu itene monya biriamwe na munini wokie na kinya minister barabaka yukia ministry monya tayari kuriba mbiriritie kwendikithia nara munini wa gavana abatere kwithira akiuma
narari mwana wetu wa bore na naretere tekuga nonto nararemero atuwe kararemerwe ete kurubonte bararemerwe kuruba ere managers are kuruba tongerete gutegujaga
atukuromba Meru ukabigo bira bwana ketu akuga aenda Meru baitira ngugeje Meru kwazania Meru batena rurizo batu ya tukua iteke aburi tonenge kya deputy governor tonenge mwana wa mwale
diupete governor enenkero gao shout kuma buri
ndithili akiwa gavana Mutuma na batire kwa wakanya na uchala urakaritania nwengwe ai munini iwokie nyabarabonka boneka kurekanio nontu yaka yaraire na uchinche rutwiro romurunga moyo
Adira the courts irine nkeri mandate I Kenya na constitution yetu ikuga Kawira Mwangaza atendelea kwa gavana onintethwa nditi na rwa kaire mpambio kuga Kawira Mwangaza no gavana na ituronere koti kuga atembio ko nkuromba ntu beto ba municipality na ba Meru county na let us unite na ngavana ura ratonyire turendethirwa kari mtu witwa Mandela, Nelson Mandela.
Ukioneka kuribo kinya bakwira muingi na kinya tungeria kurikiria na kwa ngavana kanya kauchala barakaritaniria na pongwe na kira kirione ndi nikona Buramiro ikethira igithira kona mbere ni mutumantu edingi ari ngavana amwe na barakethira ichala utonya ndene ya thirikari yekie.
And to those who are likely to go with the governor who was there, my former boss, the CECs, because that is what the Constitution dictates. I've talked to them, debriefed them, encouraged them that they should not have any tension before that time comes. They've done nothing wrong, especially our CECs, for them to be on their way out. It is the Constitution that dictates so, and we've agreed that there is going to be a very smooth transition.
Phineas Imana, Gari ya Siasa.